NASA's SunitaWilliams reports hearing strange sound from Starliner. NASA astronaut SunitaWilliams and Butch Wilmore have raised alarms about a series of strange noises coming from the malfunctioning Starliner capsule. United States astronaut Barry Wilmore called NASA ground crew on Saturday, asking for help with a repetitive knocking sound that was coming from the Boeing Starliner craft. In the recording, Wilmore asks NASA crew in Houston to configure their calls so that he could show them the noise, which he says is coming from the speaker inside Starliner. For more space-related mysteries, please subscribe to our channel.